Competition in the drone market is intensifying every day, and the first brand that comes to mind when it comes to drones is, of course, DJI. DJI offers a wide range of drones that appeal to everyone from beginners to experienced professionals. In this video, we have compiled everything we know about the Pro version of Mavic 4, the latest model of the Mavic series, which consists of mid-segment drones. If you're thinking of buying a drone in the future, this video might change your mind. You'll see everything from the latest leaks about the Mavic 4 Pro to its specs, price, and release date. Before we get into it, if you're planning to buy a drone in 2024, we strongly recommend you subscribe to Action Time now. Without further ado, let's get started. The DJI Mavic series is renowned for its professional-grade aerial footage, excellent battery life, advanced sensors, and compact design. DJI introduces significant improvements with each new model. However, the latest Mavic 3 series brought a new zoom lens that, despite its potential, did not fully meet expectations in terms of image quality. There are still areas where DJI can improve to create a high-end drone for aerial cinematography. One major anticipated upgrade for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is in the camera department, a crucial component for aerial imaging. The current Mavic 3 can shoot 5.1K videos at 50 FPS and 4K videos at up to 120 FPS. While these video features surpass today's smartphone technology, they're essential for drones as 6K and even 8K resolutions become more common. The Mavic 4 Pro might advance to 8K video capabilities. The sensor might remain the same as the current 4/3-inch CMOS sensor, which excels in capturing low-light landscapes. However, the 20-megapixel resolution for still images might be upgraded. The newly launched Air 3 offers a 48-megapixel lens for better still images, and we might see this used in the Mavic 4 Pro as well. Regarding the telephoto lens, which was intended to be a game changer, DJI might consider a significant upgrade, possibly to a 108-megapixel camera with up to 10 times optical zoom for enhanced clarity. The DJI Air 3, which is less expensive than the Mavic 3 Pro, offers longer flight times. To stay competitive, the Mavic 4 Pro could aim for flight times exceeding 50 minutes, which would be a great upgrade for users who fly for extended periods. In terms of transmission range, the Mavic 3 has a range of 15 kilometers. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature OcuSync 4 Plus, potentially enabling 1080p video transmission within a 25 kilometers radius. If you're considering a DJI drone for filmmaking, the DJI Air 3 currently offers great value. The Mavic 4 Pro is unlikely to launch in 2024, given DJI's typical 2-year R&D cycle for the Mavic series. We can expect leaks from DJI in early 2025, and we'll discuss it again then. Obviously, we do not expect any increase in price. Previous Mavic drones have maintained stable pricing, and we expect the same for this model. Finally, if you want to support this new channel, the best thing you can do is to subscribe to my channel for free. When you watch the video up to here, don't forget to leave a like. I will also wait to read your comments about this drone in the comments section. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.